Hi guys, I'm Sadik and this is
Lisa!
Today we're gonna show you on how to approach roundabout, how to approach, what speed, how to choose the lane, how to observe before entering the roundabout, and once you enter,
like what speed we should be in.
And once you enter the roundabout, what should you do and how to exit and how should you observe before exiting the roundabout.
And which roundabout are we making, Saudi?
We're gonna go to the Willow Tree roundabout in Yedding, the famous one.
Okay.
So we're gonna go towards Yedding Test Center. So Willow Tree roundabout, here we comes. Let's go. So guys, we're back. So we're heading towards Aussie Garden. We're taking first exit left.
Okay.
And we're gonna position the left lane. So mirrors, signal, position, and now this is kind of mini spire roundabout. So the lane discipline is important, and the traffic light.
What about another thing I want to ask you? A lot of students, they ask me if I'm positioned on the traffic light, if I've stopped on the traffic light, shall I keep my gear in neutral?
Okay, yes. So basically, as a beginner, okay, you want to be ready to go.
Yes.
Okay. So if you are the first in the traffic light, get the car ready in the gear, and you can secure it with the handbrake so it doesn't roll away from you. But keep the clutch down. Okay. But if you're comfortable to put on neutral and you're ready to move on in good times, then yes, it's better to be in neutral so you save fuel and you are good for the environment. So we join the dual carriageway, so we observe it on the right. This car behind decided to overtake. Good. So now we are approaching the Willow Tree roundabout. We are taking third exit right. Because we're taking the third exit right, which lane should we be?
In the right lane.
Good. So prepare.
Check. Signal to the right.
Good. Safe gap.
Nicely moving to the right.
Good. Now we're reading the sign. What does it say there?
Reduce speed now.
So we start slowing down. Look ahead. So now we're on the right lane. We're taking third exit right. So first we check mirrors. Signal right. And now the slowing down. Blockade change to 2. Approach 10 to 12 miles per hour. Now, as you're slowing down, observe right, blockers, and you exit. Perfect. And now you chose the lane. So now you're in the roundabout. You want to exit it. Before you exit, obviously check the left mirror. Look at the left, choose the exit lane. Don't signal too early. And
was
then
that signal okay?
It was tiny bit early.
Okay.
So make sure you pass the second exit. Then you signal, so you don't mislead the people on the second exit.
Shall I move to the right?
The right, yes, please. So observe mirrors, signal, observe.
A lot of people, they just move.
No, always check your mirrors and make sure. We will do another videos about the mirrors and the references, how to be a safe gap. So we're checking the mirrors.
Which exit do you want?
We're taking towards the test center, signal left, and now we're entering to the test center.
Okay.
Good. Again, once you enter a new road, you check all 3 mirrors, right, interior, left, to check what's happening around you, mopeds, cyclists, scooters. So we're taking first exit left into the roundabout, into the test center, mirrors, signal, observe what's happening with that lorry, he's making a U-turn.
Is he coming back?
Yes. So you should have looked, and...
What should I do?
So do you want to go, they're starting the test, keep going straight, let them be in peace. So inside the test center, it's a 10 miles per hour road, okay? So examiners don't mind if you drive 10, 11, 12, they don't mind.
It's so dead. Okay.
10, but don't drive 5 or 6 miles per hour, examiner gonna flip. So.
I saw one of the examiners coming in at least 30 speed.
No.
Remember Captain?
Yes.
He did. And I said, somebody was speeding. He said, you saw that?
So 10 to 12 is okay. So not too slow because it's a maximum speed limit 10, but driving 5 or 6, the examiner goes, come on guys, get on with it. And not over speeding, not about 15. So keep it 10, 12. Perfect. Around the loop. So, shall we go head back to the roundabout?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So from the roundabout this time, what exit do you want me to do?
Let's do the hardest exit, which is the third exit right.
Third exit right.
Okay. So
that's going to be traffic that side.
You sure?
Yeah.
Is it now?
There's always traffic over there. No?
Okay, let's do then second exit ahead.
Fourth. Why not
Fourth.
fourth?
Oh yes, fourth exit back in
That's
ourselves.
even harder.
Good.
Right now we did the third exit.
So
that's
now
even-
obviously she stopped, perfect, observed, right and left, and then because that junction over there was
Let's see if he fails me at the end of the...
No, it's just never. I can't. She'll beat me up. I can't.
You don't dare to do that.
So you passed already. Here you go. Here's the license. Good. So we're gonna take fourth exit now. Because we're taking fourth exit, look at the big T junction ahead of you. Which lane are you gonna position, right or left?
Right.
Correct. Because third exit or fourth exit position more to the right.
Like this silver ugly car.
Yes, correct. Because you know when you position the right, it's easier for you to get to the second lane. See, there's two lanes in front of us. You want to be in the second lane.
Yeah.
So yeah,
shall I signal right?
you can signal left.
Left?
Yes, because obviously right, so it's a one-way system.
Yeah.
Okay, so left turn only. So he's giving us
Thank
way.
you.
And observe
Shall
the
I
second.
send him a flying kiss?
If you want to, yeah.
Okay.
But observe the second car, the Nissan Micra.
So
Identify eye
in the
contact.
test, is that okay if I move into the middle?
Yeah,
like
but
I-
identify eye contact with the drivers.
Thank you.
Thank you. So, yeah, so the first lane, the van gave us permission. Okay, and how we knew that? By identify eye contact with the driver,
Yes.
and he gave us the sign.
Yeah.
But we still waited to get the second lane clear, which is with the Nissan Micra, another eye contact with the second car. He gave us permission, then we moved.
Okay.
Good. Now, so we're observing on the roundabout. So we're looking right, oncoming cars. The black car is the blocker
Yeah.
and towards the exit. So you're looking right, blocker, and the exit lane. And then don't forget to signal right. We're taking fourth exit right.
Okay.
So observation.
So how far should they be before I can go?
So when you join, you want to make sure that you don't cause them to sharp brake
Okay.
or
Now? Yes.
like now, and speed. Good, perfect. Now you're in the lane. Now focus on the lane discipline. So you keep on the right lane. So after the third exit, which is coming now, we
Yeah.
check the mirrors. Don't signal now. Look at the left mirror. Now signal left and move to the left. Perfect. So we change lane from the left to the right. So we check the right mirror, interior right. Signal right now, Lisa. And observe. Change lane. So round the loop, and we go back ahead. Second exit. How was it?
Perfect.
Beautiful. And you notice when Lisa joined the roundabout, she put
I'm a
some
genius.
speed. Yeah, which is good. Because look left. Because in this roundabout, especially this roundabout, Willow-Tree, traffic from the right comes in 40 miles per hour and the left. So traffic is, so we're going ahead second exit.
Okay.
So we keep going. So we pretend that we came from test center. So there's 3 lanes. To go ahead second exit, you want to be in the middle lane
Yes.
and start observing right, identify blockers and the exit lane.
Mary, come on.
So look at that lovely blocker, the big lorry. Or the Nissan. Good. So now we focus on the exit lane. Good. Now you check the left mirror, Lisa. Signal left. That's it. Beautiful. And that's how we do the second exit. Well done.
Perfect.
You passed the license.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you guys for
She's
watching.
so good. Thank you guys. So hopefully we do more videos.
Shall I pull up on the left somewhere?
Yeah, pull up the left and then we can. So we went, today we done the Willow-Tree roundabout. The fourth exit, we couldn't do the third exit because it was traffic, and the second exit ahead. So on the fourth exit, as you notice guys, Lisa positioned lovely to the right lane. On approach, she was looking for oncoming traffic from the right, blockers, and also she looked towards the exit lane to identify in which lane she needs to position. And remember guys, in UK, lane discipline are painted on the tarmac, so please do look on the tarmac to see where the lanes are.
Yeah.
Good. So I've
Very
seen,
important.
yes, because India, Lebanon, Pakistan, we don't look at the lanes.
No. No, that's the main issue with drivers.
Foreign
from
drivers.
those countries.
Yes, true. So now I've seen. Now remember, no rush.
Yeah,
Okay.
exactly.
Make sure when you enter the roundabout, you are safe because traffic from the right, they have priority over you. So even if you hold back and take your time, it's not a problem as long as you are safe. Okay? Now, there's a fine line between safe and hesitate.
Yeah.
Okay, so make sure you don't hesitate a lot and hold the traffic back. So we need to judge it.
Yeah.
Okay, so now when you looked right and you looked at the blockers, as soon the blockers entered from the right, okay, so Lisa didn't wait for them to exit the roundabout. They were still on the roundabout when she joined, right? So kind of they block and you join.
Exactly, because that's your time when they are blocking. Once that block is gone, there's no point joining, because then the next car can come very, very fast.
Correct, and they're coming fast.
Yeah.
Remember Willow Tree, 40 miles per hour.
Oh my God, they go crazy on Willow Tree roundabout, honestly. So
Perfect.
yeah.
So now that Lisa, when she joined, as you see, she entered the roundabout. Now she is kind of in the shadow with the island, okay, in the middle. She is in a safe position now. She is now got priority on the roundabout. All she focused now on the lanes, which lane she's going to position. So once she entered the first, second, we took fourth exit, right? So she kept hugging the roundabout. So after the third exit, the lane kind of split it into two, if you notice. So from after the third exit, she checked the left mirrors and then signal left and move to the left. So that way, you don't signal too early. So people at the third exit thinking, oh, she's coming off this exit, they come out. So you want to judge it. As soon as you're out past the third exit, you signal.
Exactly, and then you position.
Exactly.
But a lot of people, what they do, they position first and then they signal.
But how do you know who's there if you don't check the mirrors?
Exactly. No, plus the other person don't know that you're planning to
Correct.
move the lane.
Correct. So
yeah.
Make sure mirrors, signal, maneuver, the MSM routine.
Yes.
Okay? And that's how it's roundabout done.
Perfect.
Lisa,
Perfect.
Spud, well done. Here we go.
Thank you guys. Thank you.
Thanks.
See
That's
you in
lovely,
the
Lisa.
next video.
Bye.
Sadik and Lisa. Sometimes somebody
Oh
else.
my God, we're still alive.
If you're so